So Dr. Norliza Muhammad is the associate professor in the Department of Pharmacology in Faculty of Medicine, UKM. She qualified in medicine from University College Dublin in Ireland in 1997 and completed a PhD in pharmacology in UKM 2007. She began researching the effect of tocotrienols on bone health for her PhD and is spending her research focus on effect of natural product on bone metabolism, particularly on post-menopausal osteoporosis model. So without further delay, we would like to invite Associate Professor Dr. Norliza Muhammad for her presentation.
Thank you very much, Dr. Haikal. Let me share with you my screen. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry, technical issue. I didn't realize this is actually video. I'm so sorry. I think I'll just do what do you call it? This slide view. Okay, is that okay, Dr. Haikal? Dr. Haikal?
Yes, okay.
Is it okay? Yeah. I'm sorry. I actually edited this slide on the video format. I'm so sorry about that. So I'm going to introduce to you Bone Metabolism Research Group. Okay, so this research.
You put on slideshow?
Sorry?
Can you
No,
put on slideshow?
the slideshow is actually on video mode.
I see. Okay.
I didn't realize that. I edited on the wrong format. Okay. So is this okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. So this Bone Metabolism Research Group was set up in the year 2007. The founding leader was Prof. Dr. Iman Irwana Sulaiman. Okay, so we established this group because we wanted to study on all aspects of bone metabolism, especially on osteoporosis as well as osteoporotic fractures. So we do both preclinical and clinical studies. Mostly our group involves preclinical studies, although we have also ventured into clinical studies quite recently. So our group members, this is quite a big group. Okay, this is myself, and this is our founding leader, Prof. Dr. Iman Irwana Sulaiman. Prof. Dr. Farida is from the Forensic Department. Prof. Norazlina is from the Pharmacology Department. Prof. Dr. Sabaro from the Orthopedic Department. We also have Associate Prof. Dr. Lisa Naina in Pharmacology Department. Dr. Sokwan, Wong Sokwan, Prof. Chin Kok Yong, they are both from the Pharmacology Department. Associate Prof. Dr. Elvi and Dr. Fairoz from Anatomy Department, and we also have another clinician in the group, Prof. Dr. Saktis from the Medical Department. So we have a mixture of both clinical and preclinical lecturers. So basically, as I mentioned earlier, the bulk of our study, the bulk of our research focuses on the osteoporosis studies. We wanted to discover and develop new therapeutic agents for osteoporosis. So we do both in vitro and in vivo research, the in vitro involving bone cells, individual bone cells, as well as co-cultures using ex vivo scaffolds. Okay. So in the in vivo models, we use different animal models, mice, rats. We induce them differently. For example, if the model is also the postmenopausal osteoporosis, we overactimize the rats, and we remove the gonads. So there is, estrogen deficient osteoporosis. And we also have another model, nicotine-induced model, for assessing the effects of nicotine or smoking on bone metabolism and bone loss. Okay, and we also have we also induce rats to become to make them having metabolic syndrome. Okay, so we overactimize the rats. We give them high-fat diet to to make them develop osteoporosis, obesity, as well as cardiovascular disorder, right? So these are among the research, the in vivo models involved in the group. Okay. Some of the group members also venture into joint health studies, and this that's why we have a rheumatologist in the group. So basically, we also are interested in developing new therapy for diseases like arthritis. Okay, so at the moment, we use, because we want to develop new agents, right? So we use natural resources, okay, mostly tocotrienol, as well as other forms of vitamin E, okay, from the from palm, also other sources of vitamin E, or other sources of tocotrienol, such as annatto. Okay, so we also use other agents like other herbal compounds or herbal materials, plant materials such as virgin coconut oil, Cosmos caudatus. Cosmos caudatus is ulam raja. Piper sarmentosum, it is down caddo. Picus deltoidea, this is mastrotic. Okay, so this is just among the few examples that we have in our research. Okay, we recently introduced, or we recently managed to get more agents in order to study the effects of different active compounds in plants, okay, on bone metabolism, on osteoporosis. Okay, so I'll just give you some examples. Yeah, of other. All right. Okay. Sorry, that one is the lab research, the lab work. We also do clinical studies, mostly on involving bone and osteoporosis studies. So, for example, in this case, this project is led by Prof. Dr. Norliza. We did an epidemiological study, okay, to screen and to introduce education program on bone and metabolic health, okay, and among the elderly population in Klang Valley. So we measure all the bone, we assess their health status, we get their bloods to get tumor markers, the cardiovascular status. We also assess their bone, their BMD, okay, using DEXA. We have our own DEXA for research purpose in the Department of Pharmacology in the preclinical building. Okay. Another ongoing project is the pharmacoepidemiological project. Okay, this is a study done by my PhD student, who is a lecturer in UNIZA in Terengganu. So she is comparing the osteoporosis management, yeah, following osteoporosis fractures between between HCTM and the tertiary hospitals in the East Coast, the hospital in Kuala Terengganu, Kuantan, and Kota Baru, HUSM. So this is in collaboration with the orthopedic department on the 3 hospitals. Okay, and mainly we involve clinicians, the orthopedic surgeons, yeah, such as Prof. Dr. Sabaro, in order to study this what you call it, the osteoporosis management, the difference in because they have different management, and our hospital is what you call it, accredited in the fracture liaison service, right? Okay, so besides study on the animals, on the human, we also did study on the prehistoric bones. Okay, this is a very interesting study where Prof. Dr. Ima is in collaboration with the people from the museums and the archaeological department in the UKM Bani. So they found some prehistoric bones, and we do bone assessment on these bones. Okay. So this study is still, I think it's towards completion already, and they have published some of the findings. Okay, so our collaborators, we have collaborators from Shanghai Jiaotong University in China, and we also are in close contact with Dr. Barry Tan. He is the CEO of American River Nutrition. He mostly supplied anatole-tocotrienol for our research, as well as he gives us trainings and the guidance on the industrial aspect of pharmaceutical activities. Okay. I'm sorry about my slides. Okay, so these companies, these are just examples of companies that we collaborate with. They mostly supply us products, okay, for our bone research, such as Phytogaia, Excelvite provide us vitamin E, palm vitamin E. Axon Wellness provide us with trainings, as well as they support us in financially in our research. And Devos also supply us keratin, keratin as well as vitamin E. Okay, so this is just to showcase I think I'll just go this quickly, some achievements in the bone metabolism group. We have within the research category, difficulty. Okay, some Prof. Ima, Prof. Gabriel, and Dr. Wan Sokwan won Anugerah Buku Negara recently. I'll just go this quickly, some of the achievements, okay? So, yeah, medals that we received on the International Research Expos. Our patents, okay, we have patents related to bone, okay, such as a composition of palm vitamin E as a bone strengthening agent to prevent fracture and promote fracture healing. And we also have a patent in a bone scaffold, all right? Okay, so some publications by the group. I'll just go quickly. All right, some appearance in the mass media. This is a study by Dr. Isa Nirwana on the effect of sports, yeah, in adolescents. Okay, Prof. Dr. Ima on palm vitamin E and tocotrienol. Prof. Dr. Harida on the forensic aspect. Okay, this is our one of the article on bone health. Okay, and yeah, so if you're interested to join our research, you can contact me and contact the department. I think that's it. Okay, Dr. Haikam?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, as a Professor Dr. Norliza Muhammad, for the presentations.